Talks with Boneventure Kabore as I na ebekwa kusisen currently as we speak. Wabe joining the list of John Entry, Sedu Abubakar, and Prince Opoku Ajaman players we mesi ebu mienu and ebe joining Kumasi Asante. But for now, this particular video is centered on Boneventure Kabore. Everything about this particular player unravel in this particular one because Kotoko free South Africa by and I had to say Comodino as apparently na oka players now Mokarada no Nemum Sika Semni Yoma Binti intimi and successful and now when you may trust no cry and a player no cry currently as we speak. Is it attached to a team and as only attached to a team? No, you did some information in no ebro if you have a patch out. Obe join here or Asante Kotoko international reaction. So yes, Obe join here or Asante Kotoko international reaction. So nafi waba domano so 0247 107260 0247 107260 na yendi kasubum ewo ho very important na menu ane kase yenyina Kotoko for enti si was so near treasure adwen the betterment of the club. It's myself now what join here pepe and the date near 30th of July 2025, the year of our Lord. May the light for our path message in the Bible real quick. I got one day near July, not just here, August. Before I proceed, let me quickly take you through the message for our path for 30th of July 2025, the year of our Lord. Imagine saying you are in a deep forest, lights be any hot, only watch, they can watch time, and only map be so. And I left with you with your car, and I was a forest wall. You don't have any map, only hot, only be watching crowd, mapping crowd be but you have to get out and go back home. And I'll go back to maybe I will free. And I will show home. Into which show and I'll cut now came. Then you turn on your lights. Also lights no. Wouldn't quite no, but lights now also I saw a drew some points be I honor. I saw but a who a nimka crabby. Now when nimka crabby no. In whom retreat. Lights na asoka krebi no. You have to move. As you move, o lights na waso na eko no. Ekwan no edawanim. It is going to get clearer and clearer for you. Do you understand? But o say o lights na waso no, it should give you light, clear direction to the point of o journey no. End of your journey, your destination. You can't have that. Lights, no car lights now, but so about few meters light to have a clearer path, but a clearer path to your destination. It is a clearer path. Kakrabin our lights na edebe. You have to make effort. Drive, move. As you move, the path will be clear. This particular message is not about cars. When you put it in general perspective about life, it is not about cars. It is about life. You don't have to figure it all before you start, and you don't have to have everything. Understand what she be say? With the little you have, you start. As you move along, you experience, then by the end you get to your destination. It is never about figuring it all. And so now you make that move. It's move your episode. Make that move with the little you have. You don't have to have it all before you start. You don't have to figure it all before you move. Kakra bi eda w'anim no kɔ wokɔ no emu bebie woyɛ no, then you gain more experience, and as you move along you become very good at what you do. So this is the message for our life, for our path, and yemfa enante. Boneventure Kabore eye Burkina ni na oye player wadi mfie 26 oye forward. He said in America, as we speak now, Kotoko be add 2 more players to 4 lines now. 4 lines, this is it. Kwambi Poku oho, Abetamo oho, Morfe Donzo oho. If Kotoko is going to add 2, it is going to be 5. Now, 5 forwards for Africa, for Ghana Premier League, for MTN FA Cup. Now, Prince Opoku Ajaman oho. John Entry abeka ho, and Kabore Boneventure no abeka ho. Kabore no 26 years currently as we speak. Our club be your friend of Sporting Football de Casdes. Sporting Football des Cascades, Cascades. I mean funny side. Or Cascades or Burkina. Or joining Cascades in 2023. Before that, na wenya ne domestic career no with team bia your friend no okay. Wabo Burkina youth team not playing, which is the under 19. Oboye no ena o join Cascades for no ena ofri ho call loan no ena o join Sporting Football Club. After Sporting Football Club ena o join Des Cascades o sa ho sisia no. As we speak, we are attached with Cascades. Now we are renewing the contract in 2024, or in a professional contract, we post to Facebook, mami. Into another day, no. Our extent or a contract with Cascades for no. The total appearance since I'll join a Cascades, no, I 41. And the total goal contribution, and I say the goals. Washamo mo 4 enye impressive based on statistics enye impressive 41 appearance 4 goals ebia on time statistics so who statistics be say sa na ekire e part what you say and a Burkina League no the total appearance ni na make 41 Burkina League no so appear 37 and a 4 goals no it came out of that and a Burkina for FA Cup no about 3 games on share goal bia. So this is the domestic career statistics no. Onye impressive, and currently or Cascades in Tisa Kotoko ebekwa akofa ewe ho. Maybe they to me who say strikers no e yada so see ebenya John Entry ne Prince Opoku abeka ho ama na ye 5 a. Minim we know general statistics. But to say the kana Mukwala Eba Mbela Eba, Sonny Yakuba Moba, no more said any dinsa. Into me names we are going to give this guy a chance. No, so Abe you beat me, but as a strikers, no, for now, a yard also, and many shows a Kotoko beats me at this particular time. You bet 2 Ibutum Sika heavy near the Akofano, every Burkina, even though or attach into Kofa also with Chiakakra, and on a mad way, no, something which is the statistics ka kra no oye abrantia ye wo no Burkina wa onyini ewo de la so de la so bobo de la so Burkina. It is the second largest metabaka say city in Burkina. Yes, also Burkina or Wagadugu near the but you call the center of Bobo also na Bobo de la so Hona player make kana say me onyan entity e free. And this is the statistics. Asante Kotoko, my name's a yen sign and I say yen sign penny for knows best. The dinner and as the Hamza with my family blog man, maybe my Juma, see a chair with me. Long time.